and you're gonna wanna bring your shoulder blades together. So pretend like you're trying to hold a credit card with your shoulder blades. You're gonna open up that mid-back area. Do you have text neck? I'm Dr. Amber, and I'm gonna show you 3 exercises that'll help get rid of that. First, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do chin tucks or neck retractions. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna sit up or stand tall, and you're gonna bring this chin back. We say you almost wanna give yourself a double chin. So you're gonna tuck that chin back, hold a few seconds. Next, what you're gonna do is called scapular retraction. So you're gonna bring both arms in front of you like this, and you're gonna wanna bring your shoulder blades together. So pretend like you're trying to hold a credit card with your shoulder blades. You're gonna open up that mid-back area. The last one that we're gonna do is thoracic extensions. So you're gonna sit up against a chair, you're gonna lean back, you're gonna bring your arms behind your head like you're doing a big stretch, and you're gonna lean all the way back. Again, opening up that mid-back area. This is gonna relieve a lot of tension in the mid-back from being hunched over, from looking at our phones and our computers all day.